Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Swift Bluetooth to mobile. First, you'll need to understand the core Bluetooth framework, which is Apple's primary tool for managing Bluetooth low-energy connections. It's crucial to differentiate between central and peripheral roles. Your mobile device will typically act as a central. Always confirm that Bluetooth is enabled on your device and that it supports Bluetooth Low Energy for optimal performance. This foundational knowledge sets the stage for successful implementation. Next, let's get your Swift project ready. Begin by creating a fresh Xcode project for an iOS application. You'll then need to integrate the core Bluetooth framework, which is essential for all Bluetooth interactions. Don't forget to declare your app's Bluetooth usage within the info. Plist file. This is a critical step for system recognition. Finally, ensure you request the appropriate Bluetooth permissions from the user at runtime, typically when your app first attempts to use Bluetooth. Now, let's move on to finding and connecting to devices. Your app will need to scan for nearby Bluetooth low-energy peripherals, which are the devices it can interact with. To narrow down the search, you can filter these discovered devices by their specific service UIDs, ensuring you connect to the correct hardware. Once a desired peripheral is found, you can initiate a connection. It's vital to implement robust error handling for connection status changes, such as disconnections or failures. Finally, let's talk about exchanging data with your connected peripheral. After establishing a connection, you'll need to discover the services and characteristics offered by that device. These characteristics are where the actual data resides. You can then read data from specific characteristics or write new data to others. For continuous updates, subscribe to characteristic notifications. This allows your app to receive real-time information without constant polling, making your application highly responsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.